News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Plant Genome Research, National Centre for Cell Science Pune, National Education Society for Tribal Students, National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, Indo-German Tool Room Ahmedabad, Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal, National Fire Service College Nagpur, National Highways Authority of India and Public Works Department, Government of Puducherry. National Institute of Plant Genome Research, New Delhi, is an autonomous research institution funded by the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India to pursue research on various aspects of plant genomics. The institute is also in the process of establishing a National Institute of Plant Genome Research Translational Center at Biotech Science Cluster, NCR, Faridabad. National Institute of Plant Genome Research invites applications from Indian citizens for filling up vacant post of scientist on direct recruitment basis. Eligible and interested candidates are requested to apply online in the application format. Application format and detailed information is available on the website www.nipgr.ac.in. Applications other than online will not be accepted. The online application should reach within 30 days from the publication of this advertisement. TBT National Centre for Cell Science Pune is a premier autonomous institution established by the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India for research, development and training. The institute invites applications from Indian nationals for one post of scientist G, one post of scientist E, 10 posts of scientist D, one post of scientist D, medical scientist, NPA post, one post of scientist C, and 2 posts of scientist B possessing excellent academic records and relevant work experience. For detailed advertisement, prescribed application format, relevant terms and conditions and last date for receipt of application, please see the website www.nccs.res.in under Staff in Career tab. Applications are invited from eligible candidates to fill up various posts on direct recruitment basis under the National Education Society for Tribal Students, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. 2 posts of Assistant Commissioner Administrative, 1 post of Assistant Commissioner Finance, 2 posts of Office Superintendent Finance, 1 post of Stenographer Grade 1, 2 posts of Stenographer Grade 2, 4 posts of Office Assistant and 6 posts of Multitasking Staff MTS. The candidates desirous to apply are requested to refer the detailed advertisement available on Ministry's website www.tribal.nic.in under the section Tenders and Advertisement. Candidates must submit their applications through online mode only. No other means or mode of submission of application will be accepted. Last date for submission of application is 4th February 2021 up to 11:59 p.m. National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management (MANAGE) invites applications for the post of junior stenographer on direct recruitment basis. For further details, please visit www.manage.gov.in. Last date for receipt of application is within 30 days from the date of publishing the advertisement in Employment News. Those who are in government service should forward their application through proper channel. However, an advance copy of the application may be submitted on or before the last date. Applications routed through proper channel should reach Manage, Hyderabad within 10 days after the last date. Director General Manage reserves the right to cancel this employment notice without any notice. Indo-German Tool Room Ahmedabad is an institute for tool and die making and training. It is set up at Ahmedabad under agreement between Government of India and Germany. The main objectives of the tool room are to manufacture complex and high-quality tools, organizing professional, long and short-term training courses in the field of tool and die making, etc. The tool room invites applications for filling up the following positions on contract basis for 5 years at a time, to be extended subject to review of performance till superannuation. 1 post of Senior Manager Production, 1 post of Senior Manager Design, and 1 post of Senior Manager Marketing. For further details, please visit the website www.igtrahd.com/career. Applications should reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the newspaper. It is proposed to fill up 1 post of Executive Engineer on deputation, including short-term contract or re-employment basis, in Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal from the employees of central government, state governments, union territories, PSUs, autonomous, semi-government, statutory organizations, etc. Description of the post, eligibility criteria and pro forma for application are available on the website www.mowr.nic.in. Application duly completed in all respects should be submitted within 60 days from the date of publication in Employment News. 2 posts of Senior Instructor in National Fire Service College, Nagpur, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, are to be filled on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Nominations of eligible officers who could be spared immediately in the event of their selection, along with their application in the prescribed pro forma, complete in all respects, may be sent to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) invites applications for 1 post of Manager Rajbhasha on deputation basis. Eligibility criteria and other conditions may be seen on NHAI website nhai.gov.in. Last date of receipt of duly filled-in applications through proper channel along with the requisite information and documents is 15th February 2021. Corrigendum, addendum or cancellation to this advertisement, if any, shall be published on NHAI website only. Therefore, the candidates are advised to check NHAI website regularly. Applications are invited from eligible officers serving under central government, state governments or union territory governments for filling up of 1 post of Chief Engineer in the Public Works Department, Government of Puducherry. The method of recruitment for this notification is by transfer on deputation. Notification containing details of vacancies, educational qualification, eligibility criteria, mode of application, etc. can be viewed in the department's website pwd.py.gov.in. Last date for submission of application is within 6 weeks, 42 days from the date of publication of this notification in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.